guys, welcome to Staycation at VBS.
Hey! Stop taking my show. Hi, Barky. Trying again. Hi, and welcome to Sky VBS. Today we'll be making this eagle craft based on the Bible verse, soar high on wings like eagles. I totally did not cheat and look at the back to see what it was. The things you'll need to make this craft are a blue piece of paper, a brown piece of paper, your eagle pieces, a glue stick, a marker or pen to trace your hand out with, and if you're in the older age group, you're going to need scissors. So first you're going to need your brown piece of paper and a marker, a pen, or anything else you want to use to trace your hand. I'm going to use this silver marker so you can see what I'm doing on my piece of paper. So we're going to lay our hands out to trace it as the wings. Careful, don't color yourself unless you want silver hands. I have silver hands now.
And even if you don't want silver hands, you still get them.
If you need help, be sure to ask someone for help. Cameraman! Help. That's my fingernail. That's my fingernail.
Congrats.
Wow. Beautiful. You did an excellent job. Thank you. Round of applause for cameraman. So I traced out my hands, and now it's time to cut them out.
Okay, so here we have my hands. Next we're gonna cut out the next piece of paper. And it's this blue paper. I don't know what we have to do.
Get
but
out! Okay, so hopefully I won't be taken over again. So now our wings are cut out, so we can just put them to the side and we'll come back to them later. If you're in the older age group, we're going to have to cut out all these different pieces for our eagle. If you're in the younger age group, everything will be cut out for you, so you can just skip this next step. And there, all my pieces are cut out. So first, you're going to need your piece of paper and your glue stick and the tail. So with your glue stick, you're going to glue on the back of your tail. Gonna stick it to the bottom of the paper. So next, you're going to glue your hands. And we're going to glue it like that above the tail. Then we're going to take our body and we're going to glue the body. And stick it over the tail and the wings. Just like that, see? Then we're going to glue on his head. Just like that. And let's give him his beak. And he needs an eyeball to see. And lastly, he needs his feet. Just like that, and there's my finished eagle. Thanks for following along. Be sure to have your parents tag the Linway Facebook page so we can see pictures of your crafts from this week. Bye! Today we'll be making this eagle craft so that based on the Bible verse, now I can't stop saying that.